Welcome. In front of me is an HONOR Magic8 Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So, before I get started, I want to quickly mention a couple things. Number one, you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. If you don't know your screen lock, this is just kind of one of your only options, but as a downside, it will delete all the data that is being stored on your device. So if you wanted to keep something like your photos and stuff like that, if they're not synced to the cloud, you will lose them, but this is kind of, would presume, your only option. Now, additionally, when doing this in order to get rid of a screen lock, after the reset is finished, you will still be forced to verify either the screen lock or the Google account that was signed in. Now, this will only show up if you had a Google account signed in. If you didn't, it will just straight up remove the screen lock, and you won't need to verify anything. But with a Google account and screen lock, you do need to verify one of them. Now, if you do have access to your device like I do, you can obviously create a backup. And one of the best ways to create a backup would be by going into the system and update at the bottom and selecting the device clone right here. No, sorry, this is for migrating. So backup and restore, and you can do it through a couple different ways, either the backup data through, also I believe it's like something like a device clone. So you would basically be able to create a backup to your either storage device. There we go. So you can do it to external storage, or HiSuite is a computer program. Computer program would mean that you just need to download it on your PC and then plug the phone to it and automatically pick what you want to back up. Storage, obviously just plug in an external storage and you're good to go through that way. But if you, for instance, wanting to reset this device and have far into the future you're watching this because you got a new one, then I recommend utilizing the device clone. This will work if you have another HONOR device. Then you can use this and just open up the device clone the same way on the other device. And on your new device, you would select that that device is new. Here you would select that it's an old one, and just allows you to move over all the data super painlessly and fast. While if you have another brand device, so for instance, something like Samsung, on this device, if it's old, you would need to download, for instance, for Samsung, it's a smart switch. That's what Samsung has instead of the device clone. Each company has their own version of such a program. Works the same way usually, but just different names, and only allows you to go usually from old device to the new one. So Samsung will allow you to go from HONOR to Samsung or any other brand to Samsung, but not using smart switch from Samsung to HONOR. So in this case, you would use the HONOR's version of it. For instance, Vivo, OnePlus, Oppo, and Realme all use the same one, and that is the clone phone. And obviously, this one uses device clone. So anyway, that's one great way to move over your data. But now getting started with the actual reset, I'm going to lock the device and pretend I don't know my screen lock. So first things first, you're going to need to turn off your device, and you can do so by pressing power button and volume up, and then selecting power off. Now, when the device turns off, you want to hold power button and volume up. And when you have the HONOR logo show up on a screen, let go of the power button. This will redirect you to the recovery mode, and in here, you're going to select clear data and then factory reset. As a confirmation, regardless if you have a screen lock or not, all you need to do to confirm this process is type in yes, as it's stated right here. And then select factory reset. Now this only gets to, I believe, like 10%, 15, something like that, and automatically becomes finished. So don't worry, we don't need to wait through whole 100%. There we go. So once it's finished, we're going to select back and then restart. And this will continue resetting your device in the background, which will take about 2 minutes or so to finish up. And once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.